What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us, and I hope you are enjoying your new year and you have made all the new year resolutions and revolutions, and how you wanted to revolutionize your new year or your whatever the aims and things you have. And in the past few weeks, I have been busy with family and got the time. And today, I'm going to review, and especially this movie has a message for all of us to do our best, trying perseveringly, and we have to show some gratitude, compassion, and leave the legacy behind us. So let's start. The movie is from the local dialect, maybe it is Gujarati or Marathi. It's a bicycle. The movie revolves around a guy who has been given a bicycle. So from the beginning, it gives a problem to the family because the father didn't give this bicycle to his son. Instead, he gave this to his grandson. So during the movie, you will see that they are literally going to have a legal battle because in that era, it was like post independence. So if you get a bicycle or anything from the foreigners, it's much appreciated, like it has a good quality. So now the grandson got the bicycle, and he loved these materialistic things more than anything else. Even he didn't want to share this with any of his relatives. So unfortunately, what happens that this bicycle got stolen by two robbers, and those robbers, they took his bicycle from one village to another village. So the problem was this, that it has been a quite hard time for him to find out that how and who can take his bicycle. So he was so upset, and everybody in his family was looking that he is going through a very post robbery traumatic disorder, something like this. But he is living like alone, and the good thing is that he was very well recognized in the community, and moreover, he was also like a fortune teller who could tell something about the families or something like that. So there was one guy who comes to him, and then he said that what happens to his future. So it was very hard for him to say anything, but he was not reluctant, and he told him that everything is in his control, and sooner or later things will get better. So he was always giving hope to the people, but instead, when he was in this situation, there was nobody who could give him support or emotional support. Only he needs this bicycle. So now what happens, the robbers go from one village to another, and then they find out that wherever they go, there is a story behind this bicycle, and everybody know it, that it is very hard for them to believe that how can they got this bicycle. So they met a lot of people around those villages. Though this guy was a little rigid and like cold hearted just about his bicycle, but his legacy was there in each and every village. He had been very good to the children of the schools, and he had been good to the relatives, he had been good to the shopkeepers, and he was very optimistic in helping all the people in those villages, whether they are his relatives or whosoever. He was always kind to them. So what happens on the bridge, these robbers met with one of the guy who had a rivalry with this person who, and they said, how can you get this bicycle? And in the middle of the night, though he has a old Cadillac, he has a very good car, but he said there is a charisma in this bicycle. How come he gave you? And they say that we are relatives from his blah 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 mother's side, so that's why it was very easy for us to convince him. And then they found it that this bicycle means a lot to him. It has more memories, and moreover, not only the memories, but the important thing was the things that he did. Be instead of sharing more synopsis, if you will find out that how this bicycle, materialistic things, gave him the vision to reach out each and every person in his village or the arounds and surround, and to be good to the people. So that's the message of this movie. You will really like it. But moreover, you will see that there is one person who came to him and tell him that everything will be fine, and he was alone and he went away from his home, and he found that guy that his house was collapsed and because of rain or rainstorm, and it was very hard for him to believe that he lost everything, and they were literally in the open air. And that guy came and he was very happy and surprised, and he said that why you are just so happy, and we can see that your kids are all out, your mother is also, your wife and everybody is all out, and the walls have collapsed, the house is collapsed, you lost everything. And he said that yes, I believe that I lost everything, that and I was literally giving up on my life, but I believe that everything is in his control, and he will make a way for us. Sooner or later things will get better. And he gave a very good etymology regarding the walls. He said that now I don't have walls. Before, I have to go from one room to another room, I have to cross the door, I have to cross that wall. Now everything is open. So this way I know I can see anyone around us without the barriers of these walls. So this is just the idea of the movie also, that in our human life sometimes we build walls instead of bridges, and sometimes we lean upon on our own understanding instead of believing up above in the blue sky. So we should have our vision more broader than what we think about the materialistic things. But here he also gives the example that if you really have materialistic things, how productive you are using them to add value in the lives of people. I hope you will really enjoy, and especially it has a good New Year message. And this is what the legacy should be all about. We should build more bridges and just collapse, let the walls be collapsed and embrace people. And I think that this is very well said by the team, and they give a very good message. And I hope you will really like this message movie, and just kindly subscribe, press the bell icon, and suggest any other movie you really like to watch, or just give in the comment box. Thank you so much, and have a great weekend. Bye bye.